What's up, guys? This is Jack from the Beestick Bowways. We're trying to catch catfish, bluegill, maybe bass. Yeah, beestick. This is my first cast. I caught a bass! My hook. I got a bass! I got a bass!
Nice.
First bass that I ever caught. Hey guys, I just caught a bass. It was like baby, that big, that big, that big, that big. It was a good one. He fell off into there. I couldn't get him because he was biting me.
All right, this is the setup for tonight. We are using these little shads. Trying to catch bass tonight out here.
What's up, guys? I just learned this technique. You have to say 4 once, and then you do this. 1, 1, 1, 1. I caught a bass on that. Oh, you want to see this high cast?
Super fly.
Big, big. Hey guys, it's nighttime fishing, and there's gonna be big ones out. Our bait might be dinner. We have it. We have that, folks.
Oh, yes.
We got it.
Yes.
Ah, lad. Ah, lad.
Let's go, baby.
Finally.
First bass.
First bass. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Phew. If I lip it, go and kill us, baby.
All right.
I'm looking in. We got a bass. Beautiful. Beautiful guy. He's just our first one that we got in here that's linked. Take a picture. Wow, he has good teeth.
Yeah. That's a big boy.
This is a big boy. Just. He's on. Let's go! Let's go, folks!
Let's go, bro. First bass lipped tonight.
Yes, now I can get my 3 scoops. Let's go! Let's go!